I look across at my dream car, I still can't believe it's mine. I still cannot believe I have a V8 Land Cruiser that's mine. That's had everything done to it. Gearbox, everything. Everything's been done to this thing. I don't need to go and spend more money on getting the gearbox done so I get economy. This has already had it done. And I love it. And she's not going to look like this for much longer. She's, it's got cruise control. It's got a special seat in it that feels like a captain's chair. It's like one of the truck ones. It's got extra packs of springs. It's got water tanks. It's got a big V8 engine in it. Did I mention that? It's been mapped. It's pulling huge amount of fucking power, and yet it runs at 100 k's an hour. She's running at around about 1,950 revs, and at 110 she's sitting on about 2k. So she's let's see if she is a little bit economical or not. I don't think so, but it's going to be fun driving it, and I think I'm just going to love this car forever and ever. Amen. Amen. A little bit of after coming out 100, I just want to show you. So see this? Got this little thing here, so I can put all my stuff up there. A special seat that is ooh la la licious for a cruiser. She's got cruise control. She's got all the bells and whistles. Still deciding on whether I'm going to put a center console in it. That's one of the things that I might upgrade to. But really, first world problem. I'm not probably going to have anyone want to be in this car with me anyway. So, but nah, love it, love it, love it. Worth it.